a Ferrari 812 Superfast and an Alfa Romeo Stelvio could have a baby, it would probably look something this. The internet oddity is the work of KleberSilva, and while some would immediately compare it to Lamborghini's Urus, it's in fact smaller, and it might be just us but uglier as well. Nevertheless, as strange as a Ferrari-badged SUV sounds, rumors about the Italian car marque considering expanding their lineup have persisted for years. Such a vehicle would help them produce more than 10,000 units annually, bringing in extra cash for the exotic Italian brand. Inevitably, having Lamborghini and Ferrari chase after the booming SUV segment throws the ball into McLaren's yard, and a completely different set of renderings posted by Jose Rodriguez Nebreda reveals how a Woking-made high-riding vehicle would look like, inspired by the P1 hybrid hypercar. It doesn't exactly do justice to the McLaren name, but the automaker continues to dismiss working on an SUV, adding that they'll continue to focus their attention on sports cars and supercars.